Alright everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are diving deep into Brevo, one of the most powerful and affordable marketing platform out there. If you're running a business or you're into email marketing, freelancing, or maybe you just love exploring marketing tools, you want to see what Brevo can do for you. Now we are talking about email automation, segmentation, SMS marketing, CRM, and even transactional emails all in one simple platform. Now let's get into it. So firstly, we are starting with the email automation. Now starting off quickly guys with email automation, one of Brevo's strongest feature. Now if you've ever wanted to set up an email funnel that works while you sleep, Brevo helps you in doing that. Now with Brevo, you can create powerful automation workflows based on user behavior. Here is how it works. So let's say someone signs up for your free lead magnet. The next thing that happens is that they get a welcome email instantly, and from here I can add a 2 days delay. Then from here as well, I can choose any of the actions here to match my workflow. They can receive a product tutorial, they can also receive an email from me, a case study, and maybe finally I can now send a sales email. All of these guys are all automated. So Brevo email automation is perfect for nurturing leads without lifting a finger even after setup. Alright guys, so next on the list is segmentation. Now with segmentation, I want you to trust me on this, alright? This is where the magic happens. So if you're still blasting the same emails to your entire list, you could be missing out. Now Brevo allows you create smart segment based on a ton of criteria, from location, sign-up source, and even email activity to custom attribute like purchase history or interest. For example, you can click on add a new segment, then choose which of the segment template matches your interest. So I need you to know that the more tailored your messaging is, the better result you get, and Brevo makes that much more easy for you. All you have to do is to choose the right segment that would work for you, and you can now start sending content that will directly relate to each segment that you are creating right here on Brevo. Now so many email marketing tools out there don't permit you doing this, but on Brevo you have access to these things and even much more. Now let's go over to something else that you guys might be really interested in: SMS marketing. And trust me, not every tool out there can do this. Brevo is one of the most reliable tools that I have seen that can help you do so fine with SMS marketing. So which means that more than emails, now we can also reach out to people for SMS. All you need to do right now is to click right here and just go ahead and add a sender name, and now once done, you can proceed with adding your recipients and allow Brevo handle the rest. It's much easier and even much more faster for you to start using SMS marketing directly from your Brevo dashboard. And you should also know that Brevo offers a built-in CRM, which is surprisingly robust for a platform at this price point. Now this is where you can manage your leads, you can track where they are in your pipeline, and keep notes, all from within Brevo. Now this means that you don't need to juggle between different tools. Your email marketing, SMS, and customer relationships are all in just one place. No need of you using external tools for your CRM. Everything you need is right here on Brevo. Now something else I would like to share with you is the transactional emails. Yeah, these are the kind of emails that get sent automatically after someone makes a purchase, receives a password, or gets a shipping update. Now Brevo gives you full control over those emails. You can customize your design, branding, and content so they don't look like boring default messages. So this is all I have for you concerning Brevo into this video. Now how does it compare to some of the other big tools like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and Klaviyo? So whether you're trying to pick your first email marketing platform or thinking about switching, this part is key. So while these tools are quite similar in actions and in other features, now let's start with the pricing plan, because that's often the deal breaker. Now Brevo offers one of the most generous free plan on the market. You get over 100,000 contact marketing automation for 2,000 contact, and you're able to send 300 emails per day for free, including other great features such as active customer support, AI content generator, SMS marketing, and many others. Now while MailChimp on the other hand increases the price based on the number of contacts you have. Now this can become much more expensive for businesses with large email lists, now potentially leading to financial strain. So while the free plan is a great starting point, it has limited features and a limited number of content that you can have. Some advanced features like A/B testing or certain integrations may not be allowed on the free plan unless you're going for a much more higher plan. Now, talking about Active Campaign has no free plan. Yes, of course, they do not. While its features are great, you'll be paying more as soon as your contact list grows past a few hundred. And Klaviyo, it is fantastic for e-commerce, but definitely on the pressure side, especially for small businesses or creators who are just starting out. So if you're budget conscious or growing fast, Brevo gives you more flexibility and value for the little amount of money that you are paying. Now, lastly, let's talk about SMS marketing, and this is where Brevo really flexes. You can send SMS campaigns or add them to your automation workflows right out of the box. Now, this integration is seamless and available on most plans. Now, MailChimp doesn't support native SMS. You will need third-party tools. Now, Active Campaign actually allows SMS, but only in the higher paid plans, and setup can be very, very tricky. Trust me. Now, Klaviyo also has SMS, but again, it is heavily focused on e-commerce triggers like abandoned cart and shipping updates. So for general use, guys, Brevo SMS capabilities are more flexible and easier to implement. So now that we've talked about the features, the pricing, and how Brevo stacks up against the competition, but here is the real question: who is Brevo actually for? So whether you're a solo creator, a fast-growing startup, or a community-driven organization, Brevo isn't just another email marketing tool. It's a complete communication engine tailored to fit the way you work. Now, the only question is this: which type of Brevo user are you? So to recap, guys, Brevo isn't just an email marketing tool. It's an all-in-one platform that covers automation, advanced segmentation, SMS marketing, CRM, and transactional emails all under one roof. So whether you're just getting started or scaling your business, Brevo has the flexibility and features to grow with you. I'll drop a link below if you want to try out Brevo today. And if you're already using it, let me know your favorite feature in the comment section below. Now, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content on Brevo right from my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care and bye.